In the spin studio, we wanted to create a different design. We wanted it to be subtle through where the members do the class. We wanted the focus to be on the instructor. So we had a custom-made halo design that sits above the instructor to make them the real focal point of the class. The room is designed like a coliseum effectively, and it has a curved wall. The biggest challenge with this audio-wise is that all the audio wants to bounce back. So we had to get a builder involved and get some acoustic paneling put in to help absorb that sound and also position the speakers correctly so the bounce back to the instructor wasn't happening as much. In the boxing room, we wanted to create a vibrant mood for boxing. Obviously boxing is very intense and we wanted the lighting to replicate that. We wanted high energy lighting to blend in with what they're trying to achieve in the boxing studio. We used a grid effect on the ceiling to mimic two boxing rings put together. Some of the challenges in the boxing studio, I guess, were that it's a really tight space. So we didn't want to take too much away from what they needed to achieve in there with all the rigs and boxing bags. So we wanted to be very discreet in our speakers and our lighting to make sure it wasn't interrupting their space.